Treat yourself to an easier way to wear jewelry. At Niobe Jewelry, we proudly feature Freedom Clasp on our entire line. The Freedom Clasp offers magnetic assistance for easy application and release. Unlike traditional magnetic clasps, it stays secure until you decide it's time to remove your jewelry. The Freedom Clasp is a mechanical clasp offering magnetic assistance, which makes it easy to apply and remove, even in one-handed applications such as bracelets. It's perfect for people with arthritis and other dexterity issues. We also offer a complete line of clasp converters to make your existing favorite pieces easy to wear. Our clasp converters are available in stainless, gold-plated, and sterling silver. They also come in a variety of styles and sizes to suit any piece of jewelry.